good morning, Ria here from Maisie Moo. Now today I thought I'd quickly show you how I'm going to put together the new passport holder. This is something, once again, I've had lots of requests for, so I decided to make up a new template. Now I've just been cutting this new faux leather that I received from Polka Dot Peach. Now I know lots of you use this leather and rave about it, so I finally got some through, which was great, but it is really thick and I had such a hard time cutting it because what I did was I backed it with the HTV. You can see here I've got this really pretty gold, but it just meant it was a bit too thick, so I ended up having to hand cut where my deep point blade wouldn't go through. I didn't really want to use the knife blade. When you start swapping halfway through, it can wreck the leather, and I really wanted to use this leather because it's so pretty. Okay, so you've got 4 pieces to this template, and what I've done is I've cut them out in different colours just to make it a bit more fun. I'm going to give you 2 options. You can have the option with a pocket or without a pocket. I quite like the idea of a pocket. You can put keys in here, you know, little keys that you might use for your suitcase, you know, for the locks on it, or maybe you might have tokens or things that you just want to keep together with your passport. I've designed it to fit American size passports, which are exactly the same as that New Zealand one or Australian or British, because I understand there is a standard now internationally for passport sizes, and there is a little bit of leeway with this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put on your snaps. So you need to make sure that obviously they're all facing the right way. You're going to have a snap through these 2 layers here. You might need to get an extra long prong if you've got thick fabric like I have. The other side of that is going to be hidden behind and is going to go through on this side. You're going to have a snap that's going to be coming through to close on the top of your pocket as well. So I'm going to attach those now, and then I'll come back to you because my snap machine is just on the other side of the studio. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Rightio, so we're back now with our snaps on. You can see that I've popped the snaps through these 2 layers here. This is still loose. We need to glue that. We've got our pocket that we need to glue on. Something I thought I'd just mention: when you are cutting out this template, you want to ensure you're 100% happy with the direction of your, obviously, your material if you've got a pattern, but also to you need to double check when you're cutting out your pieces. If you're doing some upside down, up the other way, you want them all to be in the right direction so that they all come together, because the first one I did, my pocket was this way. So we all make mistakes, and it always pays to maybe cut out on paper first, or and test it out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by gluing on all of your pockets. I'm going to use a combination of super glue and my hot glue. Right, so I might speed this up, but you want to carefully go around all of your edges, make sure it holds nice and tight. Okay. Well, here it is. This is your finished cover. So you just open it up. You want to pop in your passport. just slide the back page in, and then that will fold neatly there. You've got a little slot here to stick. I've got my AirPoints card that I might need to scan. You have a cute little purse. You might want to put a key in there for your suitcase, lucky token, something you need for when you fly. And you've even got your wee slip here for any boarding passes or anything else you might need. Okay, so keeps everything together, and you can make it out of whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was straightforward enough. Remember, if you have any questions, just reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks, bye.